good, guys? It's your girl Eb. Welcome back to my channel. So before we get started, you see this look, this pretty look. I just recorded a video using a palette that I recently bought, and I showed you in my last video, the Beauty Glaze Color Studio palette, and using my new lashes from Glimmity Glam Beauty. And I think this look came out so bomb. I look so cute, like I'm ready to go out, but I'm not going nowhere. But if you want to see this look, then I will link it up in the cards, the video. But let's get into this video. So basically, I went to Dollar Tree, and y'all know my Dollar Tree don't be having nothing. But I did find some stuff today, surprisingly. I was like, okay, I was waiting on you at the door. But yeah, so I found a few things that's new in my Dollar Tree. I probably didn't need them, but I just bought it anyway because it was new, and I haven't done one of these videos in so long because my Dollar Tree never gets nothing. But the girl told me today that it's not even management's fault, because I was ready to complain, but she was like, no, it's not management's fault, you know, we don't have enough people work in stock. And she's like, to be honest, people come here and ask us if we have certain products that other stores have, and we say no, but in all reality it's right in the back. She's like, it's in the back, the boxes are stacked up to the ceiling, and we get to it when we can get a chance to get to it. And I was just like, that's sad. That is sad. But anyway, let's jump into it. But before we get into the Dollar Tree stuff, let me just show you two packages that I got in the mail. This is my little PR package from Derma E. Yeah, I know Derma E always sends me packages, and I love their products, like their face care products. I got some, are they on this table? No, they're not on this table, but some of my favorite skincare products. If you guys want to see a skincare routine video or a nighttime face routine video, or what products I use in general on my skin, because I don't think I have bad skin. I think my skin is okay for the most part. Like I said, I have pores. I do have combination skin. Most of my face is dry, but I do get oily in my T-zone. So there's a lot of products that I use to try, I mean, not a lot of products, but it's there are specific products that I use in my regimen to just try to keep up with my skin or whatever. But anywho, I got a package from Derma E, and it just come with this card, and it says, New Year, same beautiful you. Thank y'all. Oh, that's so sweet. And it say more stuff, but I'm not going to read it. But they sent me their purifying 2-in-1 charcoal activated charcoal mask, and it just looks like this. And I love anything with activated charcoal. I buy activated charcoal toothpaste, face mask, everything. So it's just a cute little tube that looks like this, and I can't wait to use this because I love their products. I think there's only one set that they sent me that I didn't use the products, and that's because it was for acne skin, and I don't have acne skin, and I don't want to use an acne product on my skin because I don't have acne. But next they sent me a Derma E purifying daily detox scrub, and this has activated charcoal as well. And I'm excited to try this because it's a daily scrub, and it says it's gentle enough to use on a daily basis. And y'all know Derma E has cruelty free, it's 100% vegan, gluten free, soy free. Their products are recyclable, all kinds of stuff. Like Derma E's products are just good for the environment, you know. So I can't wait to use these two items. So thank you guys over at Derma E for always sending me these little PR packages. I am so grateful. I'm about to say gracious. I'm so grateful for that. So next I got this big box from Influencer. Influencer blesses me too, here and there, you know. Sometimes you get, sometimes you don't. So this box, and I did open this box and that box already because I couldn't wait. So in this box, the first thing I see is the Gold Bond Ultimate Skin Therapy Lotion. It's an overnight deep moisturizing lotion, and it's supposed to penetrate 10 surface layers deep, works through the night and into the next day. And it looks like this. And this would be good for especially like my husband and my son, because they have really dry skin and they have eczema. And it has hyaluronic acid, melatonin, and antioxidants, and a calming scent. So yeah, this would be good. This sounds really good. And it says 92% of people felt an immediate difference in their skin. Non-greasy, won't stain your bed linens, and is dermatologist tested. So that's good. I can't wait to try this on my guys. So next, this is funny. This is that funny and roll in the box. It is organic marinara sauce. And y'all, if y'all never got anything from Influencer, you can get beauty products. They send you out products for your pet, for your house, for your kids, whatever. Not promotion, whatever survey they send out, you take it, and if they feel like you qualify for the survey, they'll send you the items. You will not always get items. Sometimes people don't get them at all. Like when I first started with Influencer, I didn't get products for months, but then I started getting them, and then I got beauty products. I got foundation before. I got Kat Von D products. I got stuff from Smashbox, like all kinds of stuff. So I love shopping organic and buying organic products. So I'm excited to use this. I want to make some mozzarella sticks, so this will be good because I got some marinara sauce, because I ain't have none. I just had regular sauce in the can, but marinara sauce is good with your mozzarella sticks, so I can't wait to make some, maybe tomorrow. Then next we have a Suave dry spray, and it's the instantly dry 48-hour protection antiperspirant, and it's in the scent Coconut Kiss, and it looks like that. And I love a nice dry deodorant, and I love anything coconut. Oh, it already. Oh, that smells so good. Oh, whew. Gosh, that smells good. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to use that. All right. And lastly, I got some lashes from Kiss New York, and these are 100% natural hair, and these are the true volume lashes, and they just look like that. Can y'all see that? And then they also send the strip lash adhesive by Kiss. So this is a nice Influencer box. Thank you guys over at Influencer for this. I appreciate this as well. And like I said, I'm definitely going to make me some mozzarella sticks so I can use my marinara sauce. So that's that. So let's just jump into what I got from Dollar Tree. First things first, I got some Tums. They had the little, what is this, 12 chewable Tums, the assorted berry flavor, because I get heartburn a lot. I get acid reflux a lot. I get a lot of stuff. Like, I am prone to everything. So these are good to keep in my bag, because sometimes when I have like a lot of Tums in my house, the chewable ones, the candy ones, the chalky ones. But sometimes when I leave, when we go out places, I forget to take them. So I can put this in my bag now, and when it's time to go, it'll already be there. Then I picked up this cute little pineapple bag. Y'all see that? And it says pineapple bag, and it just opens up like this, and it's gold, and it's like a little pineapple. And I thought this was cute when I'm running out to run errands, and I just have like my keys, my phone, my Tums. I can just throw it in here like that, and pull the strings like such, and just hold it and go about my business. So I thought that was so cute. Can't wait to use that. And the next bag, I got some Goof Off super glue and adhesive remover gel. I never seen this in Dollar Tree, so I'm like, let me pick it up, because sometimes I get glue when I do projects and DIYs. I'll get glue on places that I don't want the glue to be. So yeah, that's gonna be good. Let me just toss everything over there. Then I seen these, somebody else hold these pump ready to use aroma guru, like it's like, I guess it's like an oil, but this is in lavender, and they have the roll-on ones as well, but this one you can pump out, and it says you can use it for massage therapy, and it helps you relax, de-stress, promotes whole body tranquility, claims heightened emotions, helps restore skin complexion, helps soothe skin irritations and bumps, and promotes restful sleep. I'm going to use this tonight because I have not been sleeping well. So I'm going to try that after my shower. Then I just picked up these two of these picture frames, and look how deep, like, can y'all see like how deep the frame is? I thought these would be cute for a DIY as like a trinket type tray or something. So I bought 2, and they only had this color, like this Tiffany blue with gold trimming. So if I feel like I need more for something, I'll go back and pick up more, but I just got 2 for now. And like I said, I want to use it as a trinket tray, but I don't know exactly how I'm going to do it. And I don't want to keep it this blue because I like that color, but I'm not a fan of that blue. But it is a 4x6 frame. And like I said, I'm a pink girl, black girl, gold, silver. This blue just won't go with my whole little like scheme of colors that I like. So I'll probably paint that. Next, I just picked up one of these little wall decals, and this one says follow your dreams, and it looks like this. And I plan on cutting out the words and putting them into one of those clear frames from Dollar Tree, so I'll see how that goes. If y'all want to see a video on any of this stuff, let me know. So next, I just picked up some of these feminine cleansing cloths for sensitive skin, and these smell so good. I love these. I love throwing these in my bag, like my bigger purses, and keeping them in my bathroom, and use these like when you use the bathroom, like feminine cloths. There, but they smell so good, and you not supposed to, but they compare to Summer's Eve, and they are pH balanced, alcohol free, hypoallergenic, and dermatologist tested. I love these. I swear by these. I buy them all the time. I only bought one today though. I don't know why. Next, I've never seen these in Dollar Tree, but these are the Essential Arm & Hammer Ultra Replenishing Body Washes with soothing baking soda. They're dye-free, paraben-free, and vegan, and they have the simple fresh scents. So this is what they look like. And I bought these for my son because my son, like, I'll buy like Dove for the house. My husband has Axe. And then I have like my Bath and Body Works. My son uses everything. Like, he don't care if he runs out of his soap, he will take your soap as long as he can clean himself. And I think yesterday he used my husband's almost whole bottle of Axe. So so I went and bought him 2 of these, and they're good because, like I said, my son, and they smell good too. He has sensitive skin as well, like me. All of us have sensitive skin in this house, so these are good because they don't have no color and no real strong fragrance. Next, I was surprised to see this, and I know everything at Dollar Tree is $1, but I almost asked the girl, like, y'all sure this is $1? But this is the Rust-Oleum Never Wet Multi-Surface Liquid Repellent Treatment. Bam. I seen somebody else haul this, and I was like, wait, what? So what made me pick it up is, as you can see, this man has on some nasty ass muddy boots right here, and this is without the repellent sprayed. This is with the repellent sprayed. No mud got on his boots. I don't know how true it is, but for $1 it wouldn't hurt to try. So it comes with 2 canisters, and I think it's a part A and a part B, or step 1 and step 2. Yeah, so this is step 1, the base coat, and this is step 2, a top coat. So I guess you would just spray it on whatever that you want to seal and keep water from messing up. So I bought this so I can spray like our boots and like my Uggs and things like that. So hopefully it works. I'm gonna try it on some old Uggs first, and if it works, then I'll spray my other ones, because I don't want to just be spraying this for nothing and the damn things don't work. So I believe this is my last bag. Whew, and y'all know when you go to Dollar Tree, you gotta just pick up some acrylic organizers. So I picked up 3 because I think I have like 6 under my TV over there. But I am gonna do a DIY, y'all. So I picked up 3 of these bad boys, and then I see everybody and their mother find these picture frames with the 4 little rectangle mirrors, and I can never find them. Today they were stocked up, and I bought every single one. I bought 18 of these, like literally. When I tell y'all, I went ham. Like, I bought every one they had, including the one I just sat down. And these are all the ones that they had hanging, and I bought them all. I don't care. Like, sometimes I feel like when people do that, it's selfish, but the way my Dollar Tree is set up, and I've showed y'all before, I gotta get it when I can, because they don't be having shit. So I bought every single one. They only had 18. If they had 20, I would have bought 20. If they would have had 25, I would have bought 25. I bought all of them because, like I said, you can take the mirrors off, use them for projects and DIYs, and that's exactly what I plan on doing. So that was everything I got you guys, besides some aluminum pans and aluminum foil. Other than that, I didn't get anything else. So I hope I can't even talk. I hope you guys enjoyed this little DIY. Where is my mind? I'm so anxious to do the DIY. I'm telling y'all about it before it's even done. But I hope y'all enjoy this little Dollar Tree haul. Let me know if your Dollar Tree has any new products that mine don't have. Like, I was so hyped to see this stuff. I was just throwing everything in my basket. I didn't even go in here with a cart because, for what? Like, I never find nothing. So I had the basket on my arm. Do you know how heavy my basket was? Breaking my damn arm because I was just throwing everything in here. I was just excited to see everything. Only thing I didn't pick up, that I see people hauling, is the Bolero products. Now, I like the Bolero wipes and I like the Bolero oils that come in a little spray bottle. But those Bolero body scrubs or jellies in the jar, and the ones in the tube, the scrubs, do not work. They are watery. They are watered down. I love bath bombs. Some bath bombs don't do nothing but sink to the bottom. So I don't buy those Bolero products anymore, unless it's the wipes or the oils, and sometimes a hand cream, because I'll just keep that in my car if my hands is ashy real quick and I need a lotion. That's only if I can't find the Dove creams that come in the little jars, because every time I see those, I stock up on those. And they had some today, but I didn't pick up none because I have enough. The pink one is my favorite, and the blue one is okay. But anyway, I'm rambling, and I'm just making sure I have no more bags. Anyway, that's all I got from Dollar Tree. I hope y'all enjoyed this little haul. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, I cannot emphasize this enough. Please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell when so you'll be notified when I upload. And like I said, if anybody have any video requests, any ideas, anything I could do, let me know in the comments down below, and I can get that out to y'all. So until next time, I'll see y'all later. Bye.